Friends, I want to talk briefly this morning about drying fruit. It's something I really started getting into over the past several years. Of course, I dry peppers and stuff. This is the freezer bag. Now, these are pears. We found an old-fashioned pear tree back behind our building. I mean, it's been there for years. We've just never paid any attention to it, but it's on the grounds. I don't know why we never paid any attention to it, but my friend Jamie and I went and shook a bunch of pears out of the trees. Hundreds of pears came raining out of this pear tree. And it turns out they're fantastic, but what are you going to do with so many pears? Now, Nikki made some pear preserves. I shared some pictures of it on Facebook, and I might show a video of how she made her pear preserves. But I decided to dry the rest of these. What I've done, I've dried them about 2/3. They've got a little bit of moisture still in them. But you know, so they won't rot or anything, I put these bags in the freezer, but you can put literally hundreds of pears in the freezer. I'm here to tell you, man, I did not know how good a dried pear would be, but it is one of my favorite fruits. I've been drying some peaches too. You can't keep all the peaches you got unless you preserve them and put them in sugar. This gives you a way to do your fruit and not put a bunch of sugar in there with them. And what happens, of course, when you dry them, the natural sugars that are in there get concentrated. So these become like pieces of candy. And they are outstanding, my friends. I'm not even a huge pear fan. I mean, I like to eat pears once in a while. But the pears that are dried, with, like I say, the fruit all or the sugar all concentrated in them, becomes something absolutely special. And I wouldn't trade these for the world right now. So I'm gonna have a huge bag. I can eat like 6 or 7 slices of these, and I've eaten the equivalent of a cup of pears. And it really gets the hunger out of you if you're at work. See, I'm looking for healthy snacks. Try my best to eat right. These need to be washed. Of course, I've dried just a bunch of pears and peaches. So there's some peach juice and stuff stuck on these. These are actually peaches here that are over dried. I dried them a little too much. I'm going to go ahead and stick them in the same bag with this though. So some of these, as I move down different levels, you're going to see different stuff I've dried. I put those pears that I was just showing you on top last night. But this is a way to save just a whole bunch of fruit that can be rehydrated, honestly, or just eaten as snacks. This is if you want to put away some food. It takes some effort. You have to cut them. You know, you have to cut them up, place them on racks. Like I said, I've over-dried the set of pears right here. But that's all right, because there's very little moisture in these, but still some. They're still soft. Just wanted to make y'all aware of one of the things that I'm doing. I might go back and I'll probably get some video of that tree and show y'all the tree. If there's any more pears in, I might shake some more pears out. I have about 4 bags like this, and I'm keeping them in the freezer. I'm just some in the freezer at work and some in the freezer here. And even though they're, these might, since they are very fully dried, they're probably fine not put in the freezer. Just put in the bag up somewhere and keep them for 6 months. You can snack on them whenever you want to, but keep them in the freezer to preserve them. This has been a fantastic little dehydrator that I've got. I'm trying to remember what brand it is. I'll take a picture of the top of it. And it doesn't seem to make our electricity bill go up a whole lot to dry fruit like this. So I kind of kept an eye on it just to see. Maybe it might go up just a little bit. Just want to make you aware of that. Dried fruit is outstanding. Dried pears, let me tell you, give it a shot even if you don't like pears. Try drying some. If you find one of these old-fashioned trees, they're called a common pear. It's hard to beat, people. That is some great, outstanding treats to snack on at work. You want something for some, you know, kind of yearning for something a little sweet. Since if I've got a diabetic problem, which I'm trying to keep in check, you can eat a little bit of this. It doesn't spike your sugar a whole lot either. Peace to all who watch. Subscribe to the channel if you like. This is a morning tradition. Come out here and sit on the porch. Drink some aquafina. Get hydrated. Watch the hummingbirds. And Scratch Hendricks in the back. Is that enough? Huh? No? Hey, go play in the yard. Go find a baby. A baby. baby means any toy. Looks like he's gonna get me a frisbee to throw. Nope. Which baby are you gonna get? You want that one? Frisbee? Oh, you like the blue bone? Okay, we'll throw the blue bone. Folks, I gotta watch some hummingbirds and throw a blue bone.